Ever wonder how some students breeze through exams while you're pulling all-nighters and still barely squeaking by? I used to rage about this myself. Then I discovered something big. It's not about being a genius or having a photographic memory. The secret is using your time and brain smarter, not harder. In this video, I'm spilling 7 powerful tricks top students swear by, so you can study less and still slay those tests. Ready to become that study ninja everyone's talking about? Let's jump right in. 1. Sleep like a human, not a zombie. Seriously, first things first, you can't crush your classes if you're half awake. Skipping sleep is basically signing up for a test you'll fail. Your brain is like a phone battery. Without a full charge, it just quits on you. So banish late-night scrolling, Netflix binges, or that one more video mentality. Set a consistent bedtime and wake-up time. Yes, even on weekends. Ugh, I know. Studies, okay, your mom proved that a well-rested brain remembers stuff way better. Pulling all-nighters might feel productive, but in class, you'll just end up daydreaming or doodling. Trust me, hit the sack early and wake up fresh and you'll actually remember what you learned. It's the ultimate hack. Sleep more, study less. 2. Actually pay attention in class. This one might sound obvious, but do you do it? If you want to cut study time later, treat class like a Netflix marathon. Put the phone away, shut the YouTube tab, and listen up. Actively follow the lecture. Take mental notes, ask questions, nod like you're solving puzzles. If you don't get something, raise your hand and get it explained on the spot. It might feel awkward, but getting clarity now will save you hours later. Also, learn to tune out the fluff. When your teacher goes off on their life story about how they discovered algebra on a hot air balloon trip, politely zone out. That stuff won't be on the test. Focus only on key points, formulas, definitions, important examples. By paying full attention in class, you basically preload all the important info so you won't have to slog through boring revision sessions at midnight. 3. Doodle your notes, don't just write. Stop copying the board word for word like a zombie. Instead, draw it out. Seriously, grab some colored pens and turn notes into pictures or diagrams. Your brain loves visuals way more than plain text. Even if you can't draw to save your life, stick figures and mind maps do wonders. For example, sketch a lightning bolt next to an important formula, or turn a process into a cartoon sequence. When you translate ideas into simple visuals, you force your brain to really process the info. It's like giving your memory a superhero costume. Everything sticks faster. Besides, picturing something strange or funny makes it nearly impossible to forget. So next time you take notes, try doodling instead of just typing or handwriting long sentences. It's a fun way to work your creative muscles, and you'll remember a ton more without extra reading. 4. Turn idle time into study time. Here's a secret. You're wasting tons of minutes every day. Walking to class, standing in line, chores at home. Instead of doom scrolling, turn those seconds into sneak peek study sessions. Pop in some earphones and listen to a podcast or audiobook on the subject you're studying. Even casually explaining key ideas to yourself in the shower or while on a walk works. Got 5 minutes waiting for the bus? Mentally quiz yourself or recite important formulas. This way, every spare moment adds up. Think of it as free studying that doesn't feel like studying. You're basically stacking learning on top of your daily routine. By the end of the day, you'll be surprised how much extra stuff you've absorbed, all without a single extra hour at your desk. 5. Stick info everywhere, literally. Want brain-melting repetition without a boring flashcard app? Grab some sticky notes and plaster them all around your life. Write down those annoying facts or hard-to-remember formulas on Post-its and stick them on your mirror, your fridge, even on your bedroom door. Every time you walk by, your brain will do a quick subconscious scan. Oh yeah, that was on the formula sheet. No big deal, just a few seconds of passive review. It's like cheating a little. You're learning things by sheer exposure without cracking open a book. Plus, your family will think you're adorable or weird, and maybe even quiz you when they see your notes everywhere. Either way, sticky notes turn your entire room into a mini classroom, and you'll absorb info just by living life. 6. Turn facts into fun. Mnemonics memes. Remember learning through a silly song or acronym back in grade school? Turns out that kiddie stuff is pure magic for your overloaded brain. So don't hesitate to make your own crazy memory hacks. For example, create an acronym or a goofy rhyme to remember a list of items. That physics formula got you down? Turn it into a 2-line rap. The more ridiculous, the better. Brain research shows weird stuff sticks like glue. Seriously. The stuff you find stupid or childish is what your brain loves. So go ahead. Sing about biology, make a meme of that tricky history date, and laugh at your own jokes. If it helps cement those facts, Who cares if it feels silly? Pro tip, even apps and AI can help generate funny mnemonics if you're blank on ideas. Bottom line, working with your brain's love for patterns and humor lets you memorize in half the time with twice the smiles. 7. Test yourself. Brain dump method. Here's the big one. Instead of mindlessly rereading notes, challenge yourself by dumping everything onto paper. After a lecture or at the end of the day, take a sheet and write down everything you remember about a topic. Bullet points, diagrams, whatever. Don't copy verbatim from your notes. Write it from memory. This brain dump forces you to engage with the material on a deep level. You'll quickly see gaps in your knowledge. Those are the only things you actually need to revisit. It's a massive time saver. Think of it like emptying your mental clutter so you can organize it better. Plus, the act of writing it out cements the knowledge. And as a bonus, it's a great stress reliever. When you're overwhelmed, a brain dump clears the chaos out of your mind and focuses you. Essentially, you're training your brain to retrieve info when you need it, like during the exam, rather than forgetting it as you cram. It's probably the smartest trick here, using your own brain against itself. Now go try these out. Share this video with that friend who's always cramming at midnight. And drop a comment if you have any crazy study hacks to add, though honestly, I doubt anything beats these. Oh, and if you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Use these tips, show up to the next exam boss level prepared. And if you don't, well, don't say I didn't warn you.